Bitboy Crypto claims XRP settlement will happen mid-September. The Ripple SEC lawsuit is seen to be slipping away from the US regulatory authority, and the XRP community has started to raise fingers at the lawsuit for not having the clarity about where the lawsuit is going. We had expected the clarity many times in the Ripple SEC lawsuit tenure, but nothing happened actually, and the lawsuit is just going on and on without any clarity or symptoms for the settlement. Now, there has been another claim about the settlement, or we would rather say, the speculation. Bitboy Crypto is the one who made the claim about Ripple SEC lawsuit settlement. He has expected the lawsuit to come to a settlement in mid-September. Before we get into the details of this settlement claim, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where you get your daily dose of XRP. As you know that we have announced a major giveaway of your favorite XRP, so to participate, like the video and share your views about it in the comment section. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you haven't already. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of XRP. For today, I have a settlement claim for a crypto analyst about the Ripple SEC lawsuit. You will know about the details of where the lawsuit is heading and on what basis Bitboy made the claim about the settlement. There is also an exciting news for you about the person who sued Ripple and is kind of working for Ripple. So let's get to it. The XRP community and every other person who has been following the lawsuit are not clear about where the lawsuit is going, whether it will come to a settlement or it will not at all. In the latest developments over the past weeks, the US Securities and Exchange Commission is trying its best to hold on to the case that is slipping away from its hands. The SEC has requested the payment company to provide the terabytes of Slack messages they had not provided previously, which according to Ripple was due to some data processing mistakes, and they had only got a few fractions of those Slack messages. But the SEC wants all 1 million of them. Ripple, however, said in a recent letter to Judge Sarah Netburn that they cannot provide the missing data. They claim that gathering and evaluating the required Slack data was extremely cumbersome and disproportionate. This is not false because Ripple has already provided them 10 terabytes of data about the SEC. At this moment is just asking for more, and it will not help them because they are not only finding some reason to hold on to the lawsuit and keep on dragging instead of losing it. Here, the analysts have been helping the army in keeping up their faith that this lawsuit will come to an end, and Ripple will be the victorious one. Previously, Ripple had filed the motion to seal the exhibit. After that, the speculation of settlement rose up. The motion also included parts of William Hinman's deposition transcript, which were one of the most prominent documents for Ripple to win the lawsuit. Here, Bitboy says that what is visible is that the seal is from XRP's side. However, this is not the case. It's the SEC itself who wants the seal. They are making it look like the seal is from Ripple's side, and it is obvious because why wouldn't the SEC want a seal? They even didn't want the Hinman's deposition because they knew what would happen after that. We will later come to this about Hinman's deposition and the SEC deleting the responses from Hinman. But first, let's see what Bitboy said about the speculation.
XRP wants it sealed. That is not true. The SEC is handing this down to be sealed. They're making it look like it's from the Ripple side. They didn't even want William Hinman to do a deposition. They didn't even want his previous comments known public.
The speculation is expected to be in mid-September, and we are not far from it. About that seal, Bitboy said that SEC is behind this seal because they know that they are going to lose the lawsuit.
We are going to see this settle by mid-September. Mid-September, about a month away, we are going to see this get settled. Could be much quicker than that. It could be much quicker than that, but by the middle of September.
They did not even want the Hinman's deposition, and about that, in the latest updates we found out that the SEC has deleted some portions of the document. The SEC is under confrontation by Ripple about deleting some data. This suspicious act somehow also points in the direction of a settlement because the US regulatory authority is afraid. They are afraid that they are going to lose, and that is why they are doing such suspicious acts. About the Slack messages, as Ripple said that it is a time-taking process and they do not want to do it. Now, the SEC's reply to that is also a sign that this lawsuit is just a scam. Asking about time-taking process of the Slack messages is also one act of stalling the lawsuit, and now the reply has proven it. The SEC replied, while Ripple now tries to paint the Slack messages it refuses to search as not uniquely relevant to this litigation, presumably as Ripple has not reviewed them, Ripple's motion seal concedes that at least some Slack messages are relevant. In fact, since the SEC filed its motion, Ripple has produced new, highly relevant Slack messages. The SEC further said in a letter that the time-consuming process should present no issue in this case, as the SEC does not object to Ripple's production of the Slack messages while expert discovery occurs or even afterward. Those of you who still didn't believe that this is a scam, well, now it might have been clear to you. If you still have some doubts, take a listen to what the SEC said next. The individual defendants' motion to dismiss are still pending. The parties plan to file motions for summary judgment, and no trial date is imminent. In sum, there is no realistic prospect that the parties will fully resolve this case for several months, if not longer. Now let's head to the next part of the video. Remember in December 2020, the lawsuit was filed against Ripple. The person who filed it was Jay Clayton. Before he was leaving the SEC, he filed the lawsuit. Now what did he do that is now being called the irony? So ex-SEC chairman Jay Clayton has joined a platform that is, you can say that runs on XRP, Fireblocks. The platform joined by Jay Clayton is a digital asset custody, transfer, and settlement platform. It is a $2 billion firm that caters to hundreds of digital currencies. Now the irony is that XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies that Fireblocks' platform supports. Fireblocks is an Israeli-based cryptocurrency custodian that focuses on institutional users. It has seen explosive growth in recent months, revealing that its clients have shot up from 100 to 500 in just a few months. Since its launch in 2019, it has processed over $1 trillion in digital assets. Less than a month ago, it raised $310 million at a valuation of $2 billion from the firms such as Sequoia Capital and Stripes. Fireblocks boasts a major global firms as clients, including BNY Mellon, eToro, Revolut, and Facebook's DM stablecoin. Jay Clayton is among the board of advisors. According to the Crypto News Flash, the company announced that, in his advisory new role, Clayton will work with the company on addressing customers' needs and market structure. This will include deployment of Fireblocks security technology. The former regulator commented, "I share Fireblocks' view that digital asset custody requires the same level of service as traditional custody, while also striving for better regulatory outcomes in security, certainty, and resiliency. I think the field of opportunities for bringing new technologies to our financial markets is amazingly wide and deep." He further said, "I know that Fireblocks CEO Michael Sholov and his colleagues are committed to regulatory compliance. So to the extent that the SEC determines that certain digital assets that are trading on platforms are in fact securities and should be regulated accordingly, I certainly understand that." Well, I guess he needed to say something to fight off the irony. About the price of XRP, it is again showing the positive trend after a day of being red. According to the FX Street, XRP price has exploded higher since closing above the noteworthy resistance associated with the 200-day SMA on August 7th, logging a 65% gain last week. This week, XRP price has opted for consolidation, pulling back around 20% and successfully testing the $1 through $1.06 range, with a robust 3-day rebound. Moving forward, XRP is poised to continue the new rally with some possible resistance at the 61.8 retractment at $1.40 before encountering heavy pushback at the 78.6 retractment. Additionally, Ripple will be featuring a bullish golden cross with the next week if the upside XRP price momentum continues. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.25 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $7.5 billion USD. XRP is up 7.58% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $58 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think about the prediction from Bitboy? Will the lawsuit really come to the speculation in mid-September? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway, and thanks for watching.